Now, because my YouTube people is not assholes like Facebook, I don't mind sharing shit with you. So let's look at where we are now, right? Blocks assembled, pistons are in, cranks done. Yes, it is the same old oil pump, but that thing was pushing out 7.5 bar. That is a modified oil pump with a hardened steel gear. Both the gears in there is hardened steel. It's a deliberate, expensive purchase that. So in 2 years' time, this expensive purchase will then be scrapped. Then I'm replacing that bitch. Procedure on the executives here. So first you're going to drop in your aircon. You're going to put it at least here. Then you're going to bring your bracket. And you're going to install your aluminium bracket first. Then you're going to bring your aircon and you're going to tie your aircon. Then you're going to tie your first tensioner on the front side here, which is your auxiliary tensioner that sits in front here. That's the next step to install. Then you can start assembling the engine mountings and things like that. Because then the block's sitting on its own. Then it's just the accessories and shit, and then bolting on the head. That's basically done. If the block's in, the engine's done. That's how simple this is. It's not overly complicated.